Hello, welcome to Samantha Rose Tarot. In this video, I'm reviewing Talking with the Tarot, Conversations with Your 78 New Best Friends by Samantha Rose Hicks. This book was a impulse buy for me. I recently paid a visit to my local Barnes & Noble store, which usually means I'm going to make some impulse buys, especially for tarot books. And this is one of the books I purchased, and I'm so happy I did because anytime a book can help me to see the cards or get to know the cards in a new way, I love that. And this book has done that for me. It's even giving me something I didn't expect, which is a new perspective on reversals. But I will get into that in a few minutes. For now, let's take a look at the book. The back of the book says, reading tarot will be as easy as talking to your best friends with this beginner-friendly guide to understanding every card. And it says Samantha Rose Hicks is a professional tarot reader, witch, intuitive channel, teacher, and certified holistic coach. This book was published by Llewellyn in 2025. It was just released in May of this year. Taking a look at the table of contents, it has 11 chapters. There is a foreword by Elliot Adam, and he has a couple of books of his own published, Fearless Tarot and Tarot in Love. I don't own either one of these books, but Fearless Tarot is on my wish list, so I hope to be acquiring that book before too long. And then there's a short preface followed by an introduction, and I will just read a short bit of the introduction here because this really summarizes Samantha's kind of approach to this book and her philosophy about tarot. My intentions are to provide you with a fresh, immersive, and sustainable approach to reading the tarot. I want to create a world where tarot becomes your friend, a conversational partner, and you feel safe, seen, and understood. Instead of feeling massive amounts of pressure to memorize meanings and force false feelings of affinity, these pages give you space to form real, heartfelt connections. And then Chapter 1, Understanding the Tarot's Structure. And this is where she talks about reading reversals. And first of all, she says you do not have to read the cards as reversals, but then she gives her view on reversals, which is seeing them through the lens of resistance or blocks or releases. And then throughout the book, instead of offering a meaning for reversals, she offers reversal prompt questions. So for instance, for the Five of Wands, why are you so resistant to conflict, even if it is necessary? What is blocking you from rising above and working with a team? How can you release the hold that your ego has over you right now? But this is the part I referenced earlier in the video that kind of changed my perspective on how I see reversals. I have always kind of seen reversals as a negative part of the card, where she sees them more kind of as almost a chance to kind of reconcile with the negative aspects of the card. So moving on, Chapter 2, Meeting the Major Arcana, she then starts going through each of the 78 cards, and she covers each card in about a page and a half to 2 pages. With each card, she includes a little bit about the symbolism, and then she has 2 main sections for each card, talking to the card and creating a personal connection, and then the reversal prompt questions, which I already covered. And then we have the last few chapters of the book. Chapter 7, Cementing the Personal Connection. Chapter 8, Setting Up for Success. And Chapter 9, Starting the Conversation. These chapters cover how to read the cards, a little bit about pulling the cards and prompt questions to ask, and interpretations. And then Chapter 10, Conversing Through Tarot Spreads. She has a really nice selection of spreads in this chapter, and she gives a little bit of explanation throughout for each of the cards in the spreads. And then Chapter 11, Practice and Profession. She talks a little bit about reading professionally. I think she has quite a bit of experience with that, and there's some nice information here. And then a conclusion. I think this book makes a great companion to any book that has the traditional Rider-Waite-Smith meanings. She still uses those meanings, but she helps you form a more personal connection to the cards. So I think this is a book that pairs really well with any other tarot book. And I mean that in the best possible way. I think this book is especially great if you're a tarot reader who does inner work or shadow work, either for yourself or for others. Samantha's writing just fits that kind of work so well. So once again, this has been Talking with the Tarot, Conversations with Your 78 New Best Friends by Samantha Rose Hicks. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe, and I will be back soon with another book review.